Guys, I know what you're wondering right now. Why am I filming this place that is the shopping center Poseidon that you can see quietly at my back? The reason why is that this place is located at the entrance on Carini, exactly at the exit of the highway, and at the same time the apartment for sale that is the holiday home is located exactly in the same neighborhood. All this just to let you understand that this location is super strategic. I mean, from here you can easily reach the big city of Palermo in just 15 minutes by car, and by taking the opposite direction you can reach the international airport of Palermo in 7 minutes by car. Now it's time to show you the big deal. Come with me. Welcome to the house of lady. The apartment for sale is located at the first floor of this nice building, which the facade has been renovated recently. Also, it's important to precise that he has a surface of over 140 square meters and it owns a reserved parking space here. Talking about the stairs, as you can see yourself, they are very large, bright and comfortable. Basically, it takes just a few steps to reach the first floor, so it's not an effort every time. From here we can enjoy a distance view. By the way, let me tell that today is very nice. And now it's time to step into. Beyond the presence of this large corridor, immediately on the right there is the first bedroom. It's a double one. As you can see, very elegant with an AC unit. After seeing this bedroom with a natural light, we come back to the corridor, and in front of us there's the presence of another room that partly is a storage room and partly a laundry room with toilet and window. It's time to point out that each window and door present in this apartment is double glassed. Now the second bedroom, elegant as well, and there a wardrobe. This is the landscape you can enjoy from this window. Simply amazing. Let's keep on exploring this very nice apartment. This is definitely the biggest room in this property. Very spacious, very bright. Here we have a window, very large window, and a door that can lead us to the terrace. At the moment, it's important to point out that this room is not available for the public, for the guests I mean. It's just a private storage room, but in case of need, it's possible to divide it to arrange 2 bedrooms more. So we will pass from 3 bedrooms to 5. Crazy. This is the main bathroom. A quick view from the window. It's again that side of the property. Here, toilet and bidet, and a very elegant and new shower. Finally, the sink. Now it's time to show the last bedroom. It's a double one again, with AC unit obviously. Now the kitchen, very spacious and bright, like the whole apartment for the rest. I think it's useless that I list all the items here present, as you can quietly recognize them by yourself. And finally the terrace. Where you can stay to enjoy the sun and the landscape. Even from here it's possible to admire the sea, even though just a little part of it is visible. Talking about the property next to, this one is under renovation. It will be completed at the beginning of next year, so no bad view anymore. Well, I guess that the images you watched till now speak clearly on their own, so it's definitely useless that I keep on explaining the situation. You already know that. Instead, it's very important to speak about the numbers that we're having about the tourism sector in Sicily. You have to know that this year, especially this year, we had crazy numbers like never before. I mean, here the tourism is growing very well and quickly. It's impressive, so it's necessary to host people in the best way, and this property can seriously fit their need. Now I tease you to check out yourself the numbers which I was talking before, that is the ones related to the growing tourism in Sicily. It's very important that you realize yourself what's happening here. That's definitely essential before making any investment in general. Instead, talking again about this property, it's very important to precise that this one is seriously valuable, like house and business at the same time. So it's up to you what you'd like to do once you get it. I guess the informations I gave you are enough, and see you in the next video.